Before buying Adidas hiking shoes, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Men's TX Enolander Mid-Top Rain RDY Hiking Shoes. First up, we have the Men's TX Enolander Mid-Top Rain RDY Hiking Shoes priced at $100. Right away, what caught my attention was the waterproof feature combined with its eco-friendly materials. If you want solid waterproofing without compromising on style, this is worth a serious look. The lightweight EVA midsole provides cushioning that'll absorb shocks from rocky trails, making those long hikes a lot more comfortable. Plus, the traction outsole is designed for maximum grip on rugged terrains, ensuring you stay stable even in tricky conditions. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 1,600 reviews, it's clear that many adventurers trust this shoe. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit snug around the ankle. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a secure feel and you plan on trekking through wet conditions, this snugness could actually work in your favor to keep debris out. This is perfect for you if you're planning hikes in wet or unpredictable conditions. Skip this one if you need something extremely breathable for hotter climates. For $100, it offers a solid balance of quality and performance. Now, if the price of the TX Anylander mid-top bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Men's TX Anylander Hiking Shoes. Next, let's check out the Men's TX Anylander Hiking Shoes, which you can grab for just $64. I love how lightweight and breathable these are, making them a great choice for summer hikes. If you want something affordable that still performs well, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The soft textile upper is not only comfortable but also designed with a reinforced toe cap for extra durability. That's essential for those rocky paths where you might stub your toes. The EVA midsole offers cushioning that absorbs shock, which is great for those long distances. And the traction outsole still delivers maximum grip, so you won't lose your footing. With over 2,400 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it seems like many hikers feel the same way. Some users noted that the sizing can be tricky, saying it runs a bit narrow. But here's the thing, if you prefer a snug fit and don't plan on wearing thick socks, this could still work perfectly for you. This is perfect for casual hikers looking for a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you have wider feet or prefer a more spacious fit. For $64, you're definitely getting good value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more eco-conscious choice. Product number 3, Men's TX Anylander Hiking Shoes. Coming up next is another Men's TX Enolander hiking shoes, this one priced at just $53. What really stood out to me is its eco-friendly construction. If you want to make a positive impact while enjoying nature, this is worth a serious look. Why does this matter? Well, these shoes are made in part with a blend of recycled materials. You're getting a shoe that's not only lightweight at 390 grams, but also comfortable thanks to that EVA midsole, which absorbs shocks on uneven trails. The reinforced upper adds durability, perfect for those who tackle rocky terrains. And yes, the traction outsole ensures you get the grip you need. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 2,400 reviews, it's a favorite among conscious hikers. Some folks mentioned that the shoes aren't as waterproof as they'd expect. Here's the thing though, if you mainly hike in dry conditions, that might not even matter. This is perfect for eco-conscious hikers looking for a budget option. Skip this one if you often hike in wet conditions. At $53, it's a steal for both our planet and your wallet. Now, if you're still looking for an affordable but high-performing shoe, the next product might just be the one for you. Product number 4, Men's TX Anylander Hiking Shoes. Next up is another pair of Men's TX Enolander hiking shoes for $68. Honestly, the color options are pretty appealing, and I think that adds a bit of style to your hiking gear. If you want a trendy look without sacrificing performance, this is worth a serious look. So why does this matter? Like the others, it features a lightweight design and a durable upper that prevents wear and tear. The EVA cushioning is fantastic for those long hikes, providing comfort every step of the way. Plus, it has that dependable traction outsole, which is crucial for maintaining grip on various surfaces. With 4.5 stars from 2,400 reviews, the performance speaks for itself. Some users noted that they experienced a break-in period, which was a bit frustrating. But here's the thing, once they're broken in, you'll find them incredibly comfortable and supportive. This is perfect for hikers who care about style as much as performance. Skip this if you need instant comfort right out of the box. At $68, you're getting a solid option that looks good too. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle wet conditions better, the next product on my list will be right up your alley. Product number 5, Men's TX Enolander Mid-Top Rain RDY Hiking Shoes. Finally, we have the Men's TX Enolander Mid-Top Rain RDY Hiking Shoes again, this time priced at $85. The mid-top design really caught my eye, offering better ankle support. If you're tackling more challenging trails, this is worth a serious look. What's the deal? The waterproof Rain RDY membrane is a game changer for keeping your feet dry, especially in wet conditions. The lightweight EVA midsole provides cushioning, making each step feel softer on your joints. And the traction outsole, it maximizes grip in all directions, essential for uneven or slippery trails. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among serious hikers. Some users mentioned that the higher price point might not fit everyone's budget. But here's why it's worth it. The added ankle support and waterproofing make a huge difference for those who frequently hike in rough terrains. This is perfect for rugged hikers who need that extra support and protection. Skip this one if you primarily hike on flat, dry trails. At $85, it's a worthwhile investment for serious adventurers. So to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 fantastic Adidas hiking shoes. The TX Enolander Mid-Top Rain RDY is perfect for wet conditions, while the standard TX Anylander offers great value. The other models provide eco-friendly options and stylish choices without skimping on performance. No matter your preference or budget, there's something here for you.